I'm going to show you how to make an airplane and show how to fly
We'll be on there.
it. So first you get this corner and match it up to here like a triangle. Okay, not all the way, but it has to be halfway. Then slide it. Then you put this corner on this one and then just
at the end, they choose this one gay guy because he has no skill learning, but you gotta have the diversity.
And then hold it together like
Some other
this.
movie that was like that too, and like, well, you gotta keep
And then just like slide it.
Well, did you see that video?
Then you grab this part, make it one,
They were showing this
and
kid
down,
that
and then the second one on the
kept answering all
bottom,
the questions right.
and
Every
then
time he would answer,
do the same
he said
thing
the question's right. No, that's not the right answer.
again.
And he's like, what do you mean that's the right answer? And he's like, well, that may be the right answer to you, but it could be different to someone.
Oh, yeah,
And
yeah.
then they ended up like killing him and
Yeah.
locking him in the box
I
again.
was trying to find that because I saw that and I meant to post that.
Then
Sure.
it flies. There.